Assalamu alaikum class 4. I am your computer teacher Mehak Nazir. Today we will study chapter number 3, more about Windows 7. Open your books, page number 17. What are Windows first? Windows, they are the most popular operating system. Now, what is operating system? As you already know, an operating system is the program that initially loaded into the computer. For example, Windows 7, Windows XP, Unix, Linux, they all are Windows, different operating system. Actually, जब हम कंप्यूटर ऑन करते हैं, जो सॉफ्टवेयर लोड होता है फर्स्टली, दैट इज़ एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, और वो डिफरेंट विंडोज़ जो हम लोगों ने इंस्टॉल की होती हैं वो लोड होती हैं. So we can say that an operating system is a program that acts as an interface between user and computer hardware. कि ये कंप्यूटर और यूज़र के दरमियान this is a interface. It performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, input and output devices. As you already know, input devices and output devices, they together are called computer peripherals. This is all you have already studied. Now what is desktop? जब हम कंप्यूटर को ऑन करते हैं, जो फर्स्ट स्क्रीन शो होती है, दैट इज अ डेस्कटॉप. When you switch on your computer, the first screen you see is the desktop. Desktop contains small pictures called icons. You can see here, this is the picture desktop, this is whole, and this small pictures, they are called icons. These icons represent different programs, files or folders. You can see these are, this yellow one is, this is folder, these are different files. When we open, we have different files. That this is Windows Explorer, this is Internet Explorer. Here you can see an icon of my computer. This one is computer icon, right? Whatever is stored on your computer is accessible from this icon. It has different drives. When you open, it has C drive, D drive and E drive, right? Everything is stored in this drives. You can access from this icon computer, right? Now we have another drive which we can use as storing these all are hard disk drives. One drive is another which when we insert any CD or USB, this drive is that. Here they have inserted an DVD, right? These are drives. Now all the work that we do is stored in the form of files. With the help of these drives, you can store and access data. These drives contain files and folders. All the work which we do on a computer is stored in the form of files. A file is a collection of data or information. Each file has a name and can have anything, including drawing, pictures, text, etc. A folder is a location for files, for organizing them and for storing them. A folder contains files. A folder can also contain folders in it, right? Class, hope you understand today, and I'll see you in the next lecture from continuing here. Okay, Allah Hafiz.